What niche should you focus on Etsy? So let me think about this, because there's a lot of niches that I don't talk about publicly. There's some niches that I do talk about publicly. So I previously talked about women's clothing. It's a very strong niche, but there's an operational difficulty. There's difficulties with operations. But I talk a lot about jewelry. Jewelry is definitely getting more busy now. And you've got to put more effort in to get the same amount of return. I've been talking about it for a year, right? So I would say... this is actually good questions. I like you guys' the question. This is good. I'm feeling good. It's good energy in the stream. I would say let me just think, because I don't want to give a niche up that I know a bunch of the Etsy Kings guys are inside of, but then I don't want to give you a shit niche. Okay, so just let me think about it for a second. I mean, jewelry is still a massive fucking niche. Jewelry is crazy big. Let me look how many products. I can't even. There's like 20 million products in jewelry. More than 20 million products in jewelry. Fuck it. Jewelry, bro. There's 20 million products in jewelry. It's not saturated. Okay? Next one. What is a good niche for Q4? Bro, a good niche for Q4, so there's so many different ones, right? But a good niche for Q4 is a niche... fuck it. It's hard being tall. You got to duck through doorways all the time, bro. A good niche for Q4 is a niche that can be gifted, but is evergreen. So you want a niche that can be sold all year round, but can also be gifted, okay? Let me just... you want a niche that can be sold all year round, but can also be gifted, okay? So an evergreen product, such as a bracelet, such as whatever, right? Let's say a lighter, right? So I have a lighter here, right? A lighter is a good product for Q4 because it's heavily giftable. If you put this in a gift box, it's a beautiful lighter for a beautiful lighter. It's a wonderful gift for a guy. Right? Wonderful gift for a guy. It's a cool lighter, whatever, right? You put it in a nice little box, it's great. But it can also be bought all year round for birthdays, presents, or someone just buy it for themselves. So this is the best type of product. A product that can be evergreen, but goes in Q4 because of the gifting season. Okay? Does that make sense?